Okay, we just arrived at our second hotel. We actually booked 4 nights, and here's why. We booked for 4 nights in New Delhi. This is the size of our hotel, and we'll disclose, of course, how much it's costing us per night. We're actually going to work out in this space here. Get some. Alright, and here's a fan. It is massive. The bed is. Go ahead, babe. How comfortable is the bed?
It's a memory foam.
Oh my goodness.
Really.
The headboard looks really nice.
Yeah.
The fan. I believe there's central air.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thermostat. This is actually really nice. Got a wall mirror. Flat screen TV. I don't know what to call that. That's not a day bed.
It's a sofa.
It's a massive sofa.
It's a sofa.
Massive. Go ahead and lay on it, just to give me an idea. Like she's on it.
5'3.5". 5'2.5".
We can both fit on there. So how much is it per night? Look at the floors. Oh my goodness.
$22.
$22.
In the heart of New Delhi.
The heart of New Delhi. Oh, okay, that's essential air. All right, let's look at the bathroom. The bathroom is gorgeous. All modern, updated fixtures. Oh my God, the bathroom is so big. Holy shit. Oh, look at the toilet. Okay. And we have closets. Like all of that stuff back there is closet. Like I'm at the other side in the bathroom against the wall. That's how big this place is. It's only for $22, yeah?
Yes.
$22. How did we find this place?
Don't trust pictures online.
Why? What's wrong with those
Because they're
pictures?
stock photos, they're not real.
Yeah.
So we walked around for probably an hour last night. We just walked into hotels. It said, how much for a night?
Right.
Can we see the room? That's
Right.
it.
Always
They'll
ask to.
always let you.
Yeah. Always ask to view the
So
room.
they showed us a different one, which we liked, but it smelled like mold. So we asked to see a different one. So they brought us here, and we said we'll take it.
We'll take it. Now I want to okay. Quick recap. I just want to add to what you said. We walked around for an hour. I think we wanted to because there was food everywhere.
Yeah.
We were eating from street vendors.
Yeah. Last night we were paying $20 a night, which is kind of out of our budget.
Right. What's our budget as we continue this?
$20 a night.
$20 per night, which is $10 each.
Yeah, but
Okay.
here we can subtract $2 per day per person for food because it's so cheap.
And it's
Like
delicious.
70 US cents for a meal here.
Right.
So we can
Is it
easily
crappy
afford that.
meals though?
Oh,
Because
it's so good.
okay.
So good.
Okay.
Anyways, this is the hotel, and we're in this district. I don't know really how to say it. I'm gonna guess Paharganj, but I don't know. But this is where we are.
Let's get this focus. Okay, there we go.
Focusing.
Yeah.
This one is where we're at.
Okay. Actually, it has a website as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not online as far as like Booking.com, TripAdvisor.
No.
Yeah, it's not online. So
This is their premier room.
we've got the
It's
info.
the higher of the two.
Yeah. All right. 4 days.
4 days.
And then we're off to
Agra for the Taj Mahal for your birthday.
for my birthday. I'm excited. Okay, so next time we're out. Take care. Safe travels.